Okay guys, we got a 2018 Jeep Cherokee here with the 3.6. We got a P0440 and a P0456 vapor detection pump. Now the P0456 could be the gas cap, but the P0440 tells us it's this pump. So you don't even have to pull the tire. You just got to pull this 10 millimeter and a couple of these Phillips to get it down. Unplug this port right here and that hose right there. And that's it. That's how it comes down. And it snaps into that circle area right there. After you get the pump up there, we'll snap into that and turn. So we got the new one here. I'll give you a Duralast part number if you need it. It is ESM1003. And then after you install this, you will need to clear the code. But every time you've cleared the code, it keeps coming back, especially the P0440. This time it won't come back. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.